Sounds specific to a hybrid vehicle. After the hybrid system starts, it sometimes produces sounds specific to a hybrid vehicle, but this is not abnormal. When the vehicle starts, there is an audible from the back of the vehicle. When the vehicle is stopped, there is an audible sound. This is the operating sound of the high-voltage relay. When the vehicle is setting off, there is an audible from the engine compartment. This is the sound of the motor in operation. When decelerating, there is an audible from the engine room. This is the sound of the motor powering the regenerative brake. For details, please refer to the owner's manual.